Welcome to Digital Talent TV. In today's video, I want to show you how you can translate any language to your own preferred language. What I mean here is that you can translate anything written in any language of the world to your own preferred language, just with your smartphone, guys. So to do this, let's get into the video so that I will show you how we can do this. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go to your Play Store and search for this app called Google Lens. As you can see, in my own case here, I have already downloaded, so it's showing open and uninstall. So when you go to your Play Store, you now type for Google Lens. Then you now download it into your phone and install it. So once you download and install, then you go to the apps and open the apps. Once it opens, you will see it's showing where you can snap. But the first thing I want to talk about here is the translate, because it have some features order. It have translate, text, search, homework, and shopping, and the rest. But first I want to talk about the translate. How you can translate a language to your own preferred language. For example, with me here, I have a pack of a medicine that it having some writing that is written in Arabic. Guys, you can see it's written in Arabic. But if I press translate, watch what will happen, guys. You see, it now translates everything to me in English. Now I can read and understand. Or if you want to search for something online, let's assume you come across something and you don't know where to get exactly that same thing. You can just come here and snap the item. For example, this medicine in my hand now. I can go back to my search button like this and snap the button and snap the image, and it will search and bring out similar results, bring out something similar. Guys, look at it. It brings out something similar to what I have searched, with even websites where you can get that exactly the same to what I have searched for. If you want to do language setting, just press on translate button and a little icon like search button, it will appear here on top. Here you can see it's showing Hindi and English. That is the last thing that translated. The language that was written on the pack was in Hindi. It's now showing Hindi and English. So for example, if you want to set your own preferred language, you can just click here. Then where it's written English, you can set it to your own preferred language. Then here, in my own case, I leave it on auto dictate so that I can translate any language to English. English is my preferred language, so I leave it on auto dictate so that I can transfer any language to English. But in your own case, you can do your own setting. Let's assume you want only text that are written in Arabic to be transferred to English. Fine, you can do that. You can do your own setting. And there are a lot of things here you can play around with it. You can snap an item that you want to know where to get exactly that same quality. You can do that here, guys. In short of anything, or you can snap a picture or in your gallery. Then you now go to the gallery like this. For example, I have a screenshot of Hausa Him here. Now let's assume if I press on it like this, then I will see a little icon under it. That icon indicates Google Lens. So if I press on it like this, it will now take me to the Google Lens apps. Then under here there is a little icon here. If I press it and I press translate, you see it now translates everything to me in English. It translates Hausa Him to English. So guys, you can do this one with any language. You can translate any language of your choice. Let's assume you're a kind of person that always travel, or you come across a text online. I think you can use Google Lens. It will help you. In fact, in my opinion, I think this is the best. It's more faster than Google Translate.